Hey there, wanted to take a quick look and show you this CreoleFeast deep fryer propane burner kit. Comes with everything you need to get started deep frying with a propane burner, or boiling for that matter if you're going to do a boil type situation. It comes with two different pans. You've got a 30-quart deep pan here, great for frying turkeys. You can fry probably up to a 20-pound turkey in this just fine. And then you've also got a 10-quart pan right here for fish fries and things like that. The nice thing about a kit like this is it comes with everything that you need for all of your different deep frying scenarios. You've got a basket right here that you can use to drop in. This will work with either pan. You also have a frying pan, as you can see here, great for fish fries. It's got the handle that comes on it, so you can drop that on there. You do also get a lid that will work with both pans. And then if you're gonna do a chicken or a turkey deep fried, this is what you're gonna want right here. You put this through the turkey, drop it down in, and then whenever you want to remove it, it's got a handle right here. You'll just simply hook that on and lift the turkey or chicken right out. So it's got everything that you need. Also comes with an oil thermometer that clips on easily to the side of your pan. That works really well also. Now it's pretty amazing they managed to fit all of this stuff into that box whenever it ships. So there is some minor assembly required to get everything together down here, but here is your burner assembly. You're just gonna hook this up to your propane tank, and then you've got your fuel adjustment right here. And then also very important is right here is your air adjustment, and that will allow you to get the correct type of blue flame that you want here on the burner. Also have a heat shield here over the hose to protect the hose, also from any spills from getting at the hose, and then a heat shield on the bottom under here as well. Very stable base, and I like it's also got a nice ledge right here so that whenever you do put your pan on top, you don't have to worry about it sliding off or anything like that. Overall, I feel this kit is an excellent value. It's well made, it's well thought out with the key features that you need. It's gonna work great for smaller fish fries, or if you're deep frying a turkey, gonna work really well also. Again, the base again is nice and stable. So I'd recommend this kit, everything you need, great value overall, well-made product. Definitely be great if you've got a turkey to fry for Thanksgiving. This is gonna be an ideal solution.